Hello guys, because this winter I am in Italy, no in Thailand, I will do again very famous Italian dessert. It's called Pandoro. You cannot translate it because it's like pizza. You cannot translate pizza in other language. Pizza is pizza and Pandoro is Pandoro. I done it in Thailand, but in Thailand I cannot find the right pot. Here I found it. You can find also online. I put the link down below in the video, in the description of the video. And also here I can find the proper flour, so it will be more easy. Don't worry, I wrote the ingredient here in the video and also down in the comment below. And if you like, you can check also my website, but it's in Italian language, sorry. Okay, we should prepare the starter. You can call it like starter. So we need 40 grams of water, room temperature, 10 grams of yeast, the one that you use for the bread, but it's not dry yeast, it's fresh one. If you use dry yeast, you can use 2 grams of dry yeast. Plus 1 yolk, 35 grams of Manitoba flour, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now I mix very well the yeast with the water. After I add the flour, after the yolk and the sugar. We mix everything very well. We cover and we should wait 1 hour. After 1 hour, our starter, you can see, raise up very well. So now we should add the other ingredients. We will add 140 grams of Manitoba flour, 30 grams of sugar, 20 grams of butter, should be a little bit soft, and 1 egg. We put all the ingredients, we work very well our dough, we cover with a plastic wrap or plastic film, and we put our dough in the fridge. Why? Because we have not a machine to work our dough, so we need something that gives power to our future dough. If not, will not rise like fluffy cake. If you put this in the fridge, your dough will be more strong. We say, I don't know the right translation in English, sorry. But it's the same technique that was used to make baguette bread. Maybe I will do the video about baguette in the future. After 1 day in the fridge, our dough is ready. Now we can add the other ingredient. Remember that this dough, like for the recipe of the panettone, you should keep the dough in the fridge at least 12 hours. If not, you can leave also 1-2 days, don't worry. But minimum 12 hours. Now we should add all the other ingredients. I will read it because I don't remember. 140 grams of Manitoba flour, 80 grams of sugar, 1 yolk, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, half vanilla stick, and the skin of half lemon and 1 orange. I will start with the vanilla. I will add the orange and the lemon and also the other ingredient. We work very well our dough. We cover again with the film or the plastic, the transparent plastic wrap, and we store in the fridge for another day. See you tomorrow. Okay, only one thing, please don't put all the ingredients together like me. I was focused on the camera, so I put everything together and after it was more difficult. So you should put the lemon, the vanilla and the orange and the eggs. Work the dough, the sugar and the salt, work the dough, the flour, work the dough, and after your dough will be ready. If you put everything together, you need to work the dough at least 2-3 times longer. So be careful. See you tomorrow. Now we should add the last ingredient, 110 grams of butter at room temperature, so should be soft but not melt. Here I have already put a little bit of butter, so it's a little bit oily. Now I put the dough, I smash it a little bit, I add the butter, I fold the dough, I smash it again, and I fold again the dough another time. After I put again in the container and we store in the fridge for 15 minutes. We put again in the fridge 15 minutes, don't worry, this is the last time that we put in the fridge. Waiting that the dough become cold, we take our pot, we oil the pot with the butter, we put a little bit of flour, and after our pot will be ready. Plastic film, towel, and now we should wait that the dough reach the top of our pot. Depend of the temperature that you have at home, maybe 6, 10, 12 hours. You need also to check your time, your schedule, because probably if you notice that he will reach the top of the pot during the night, it's better if you store in the fridge and tomorrow morning you remove from the fridge and you wait that your dough grow until the top. Probably I will do this, so see you tomorrow. When the dough reach the top of the pot, we put our Pandoro in the oven preheated at 180 Celsius degree and we cook for 15 minutes. After we put baking paper and we down the temperature at 160 Celsius degree for other 25 minutes. Our Pandoro is ready. My one is a little bit dark, but this happens when you use the oven like this, that is rectangular. If you use the classic oven that you have at home, the square one, the grill is more distant, so the color will be less dark. Also, if you put the baking paper, or you can use the aluminum foil. Okay, now we should wait that become a little bit cold, and after we can remove from the pot. So see you later.
Buono.
Ta-da! Very soft, spectacular. You can see it. Very, very yummy, especially because instead of using the vanillina, the vanillin, I use the vanilla, the real one, plus the orange peel. very fresh, so the taste is spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, to watch this other video, to share this video with your friends, and if you try to make the Pandoro, please share your experience down in the comments. Bye bye. One thing, wait. I make also the panettone, but when I put upside down and destroy it, don't worry. I will do again the video showing the right recipe, because many people say, why everything that you make is spectacular? It's spectacular because I post only the things that come spectacular. If something is not spectacular, I throw away everything and also the video. Bye bye, see you soon.